How to download and install Spotify on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and then on search bar, just search for Spotify and then tap on install button over here. Now wait until the app gets installed on your device. Make sure that the internet connection is stable while downloading and installing this application on your device. So the process may take a while due to installing process and then scanning via security and so on. So I'm just going to tap on open afterwards. Just tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the Spotify application. Now just wait for a while and then here you can sign up for free, or you can continue with Google or continue with Facebook, or you can just log in if you already have an account. So I'm just gonna tap on sign up for free. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.